Today I'll put you through on how to transfer files from external SSD hard drive to a laptop. Okay, whether the file you want to transfer is document, photos, videos, spreadsheet file, or any other type of file. This tutorial will put you through on how you can carry out this task in easy steps. This is the SSD drive. Here I'm using Portable SSD. So this is the cable that comes with it. So I'm going to slot this head to this space, then this to the USB drive of our laptop. But just follow me as I put you through on the steps you need to take to get that achieved practically. Just as explained initially, with the cable that comes with the SSD hard drive, connect one end to the SSD hard drive, then the other end to the USB port of your laptop or computer. Once this connection is made, you will hear a sound from your laptop or the computer you are using. Now let's get to the screen of the PC and complete the rest of the processes. I am back to my PC, okay? So get to your computer so that we complete the rest of the steps. Take your cursor here to the File Explorer and click. This opens the File Explorer homepage. I'm using a PC that runs Windows 11 operating system in this tutorial, but if you use Windows 10 or older version, it still works fine, okay? By this side, click on this PC. This displays the storages that are connected to your computer at that point in time. You can see Apple iPhone. I connect my Apple iPhone to this PC at this point in time. Windows C stands for the storage of the Windows computer I am using. Okay. Then this is the SSD hard drive, the external hard drive. And this is where our interest is. So double click on the SSD hard drive for it to open. This displays the files that are existing in the hard drive. Okay? Take for example, I want to copy a document file. Then look at document file. I'll click on it. Once I click on it, it is selected. I can right click to see some options and look at copy icon here. So I'll click on copy for it to be copied. If you're using older version of Windows, you may see copy here. Okay, once you see copy here, just click on that and it's copied. But here, this is the copy icon. So I'll click on it for it to be copied. Alternatively, once you click on the file, you will see copy icon here as well. So you can click on copy for it to be copied. Now let's get to our PC and then paste the file we just copied. Okay, so by this side, you will see some folders that are made available on your laptop. Okay, so take for example, I want to paste this in the documents folder of my laptop. I will click on it. This opens the document folder of my laptop. Then I will click on paste button for it to be pasted. I can see, look at the doc one, which is the document file I copied. So I will get back to the SSD and then copy another file and then paste. As usual, this PC, then double click on the storage and you are landed on this page showing you all the files that are in the SSD drive at that point in time. Okay, take for example, I want to copy picture. Look at IMG, that stands for the picture. You know the picture here. So I'll click on it for it to be selected and then click on copy. Okay, if you want to copy all the files at the same time, you can see documents, you can see spreadsheets, you can see image, which is photos, you can see video. This is video file and this is PDF. Okay, so you want to copy everything at once. What you need to do is take your cursor to the first file, just as you can see. Okay, then press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag down. This makes the files selected. Then click on copy. So here I have just copied all these files at once. Then I'll get to the folder where I want to paste them. So here, let me go and paste them in the music folder. Okay, remember these folders, these options here are for your computer. So I'll click on music for the folder to open. Then look at paste icon. I'll click on paste and it's pasted. So no matter the folder you want to paste it, the steps are still the same. These are just the simple steps and you get your files copied from your SSD drive to your laptop. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Here we discuss more on technology, self-publishing, and YouTube education. All are under the umbrella of technology. So, subscribe to learn as much as you can. Hit that like button for YouTube to share this video to more people. And leave a comment. Let me know if this guide helps. Okay? I want to hear your say. To learn how to transfer files from laptop to SSD hard drive, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.